When it comes to cars, bigger is often seen as better. But that's not always the case, as some cars with small engines can still pack a punch. In fact, some of the fastest cars on the market have surprisingly small engines. Here are the top 7 really fast cars with teeny tiny engines. Ariel Atom. The Ariel Atom is a unique and unconventional car that combines raw power with a lightweight, minimalist design. With its tube-frame chassis and no-frills interior, this car is built for speed and agility, and its 2.0-liter engine is more than capable of delivering both. This engine produces an impressive 310 horsepower, which is a lot for a car that weighs only 1,350 pounds. One of the most impressive things about the Ariel Atom is how quickly it can accelerate. Going from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.7 seconds is an incredible feat, and it's something that few other cars can match. This car is capable of reaching a top speed of 155 mph, which is a testament to its engineering and design. Driving an Ariel Atom is a thrilling experience, thanks in part to the car's open-air design. Without a windshield or roof to block your view, you feel more connected to the road and the environment around you. You can feel every bump and curve in the road, and you have complete control over the car's movements. Caterham 7620RR. The Caterham 7620R is a high-performance sports car that's built for speed and precision. It's designed to deliver an uncompromising driving experience with a powerful engine and a lightweight, agile chassis. The car's 2.0-liter engine produces an impressive 310 horsepower, which is a lot of power for a car that weighs just 1,200 pounds. Thanks to its lightweight design, the Caterham 7620R is capable of reaching incredibly fast speeds. This car can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.8 seconds, which is faster than most other cars on the market. It's also capable of reaching a top speed of 155 mph, which is incredibly impressive for a car of its size and weight. One of the most impressive things about the Caterham 7620R is its handling. This car is designed to be driven aggressively, with a responsive chassis and precise steering. It's also equipped with advanced suspension and braking systems, which help to keep the car stable and in control at high speeds. Porsche 718 Boxster. The Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman are two of the most popular sports cars on the market today, and for good reason. These cars are sleek, stylish, and incredibly fun to drive. Under the hood, they're equipped with a powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers an impressive 300 horsepower. Thanks to their powerful engines and lightweight designs, the Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman are capable of achieving some impressive speeds. These cars can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.9 seconds, which is very quick for a car of their size and weight. They're also capable of reaching top speeds of up to 170 mph, which is incredibly impressive for a car in this class. One of the things that sets the Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman apart from other sports cars is their handling. These cars are designed to be driven hard and fast, with a responsive chassis and precise steering. They're also equipped with advanced suspension and braking systems, which help to keep the car stable and in control even at high speeds. Ford Fiesta ST. The Ford Fiesta ST is a small yet mighty car that's designed to deliver an exciting driving experience. Despite its compact size and engine, it packs quite a punch with a 1.5-liter engine that produces an impressive 197 horsepower. This means that the car is surprisingly quick and is capable of going from 0 to 60 mph in just 6.5 seconds. The Ford Fiesta ST's engine is turbocharged, which means that it's able to deliver power quickly and smoothly. This helps to make the car feel more responsive and agile, which is perfect for driving on winding roads or through city streets. The car also has a sport-tuned suspension, which helps to keep the car stable and in control during aggressive driving maneuvers. One of the most impressive things about the Ford Fiesta ST is how well it handles. The car is incredibly nimble and responsive, which makes it a lot of fun to drive. It has precise steering and great balance, which allows it to take corners and curves with ease. The car is also equipped with a range of advanced safety features, including blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. Mini Cooper SE. The Mini Cooper S is a classic car that has been a popular choice for car enthusiasts for many years. Despite its small size, it is packed with a 2.0-liter engine that produces 189 horsepower. This powerful engine, combined with the car's lightweight design, allows it to go from 0 to 60 mph in just 6.5 seconds. The Mini Cooper S is a very agile car that is designed to deliver a fun and exciting driving experience. It has a sport-tuned suspension and precise steering, which allows the driver to take corners and turns with ease. The car is also equipped with a range of advanced safety features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure warning. Fiat 500 Abarth. The Fiat 500 Abarth is a tiny car that packs a lot of punch. With a 1.4-liter engine that produces 160 horsepower, this little car is surprisingly quick. It can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 7.1 seconds, which is impressive for a car of its size. The Fiat 500 Abarth is designed to be a fun and exciting car to drive. It has a sport-tuned suspension and precise steering, which makes it very responsive and agile. The car also has a unique exhaust system that produces a loud and aggressive sound, adding to the car's sporty character. Honda Civic Type ER. The Honda Civic Type R is a high-performance car that has been designed for speed and precision. With a 2.0-liter engine that produces 306 horsepower, this car can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 5.7 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars on this list. The Civic Type R has been engineered for speed and agility, and it shows in its performance on the road. The Honda Civic Type R is not just about power, though. It has also been designed with handling in mind. The car has a sport-tuned suspension that helps to keep it planted to the road, even when taking tight corners at high speeds. The steering is also precise and responsive, which makes it easy to control the car at high speeds. Thanks for tuning in to this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Also, be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, please leave them down in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers, and your feedback helps us to create better content. And lastly, be sure to check out our other videos on our channel. We cover a wide range of topics from lifestyle and entertainment to education and technology, so there's something for everyone. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.